If you want to increase your productivity, Fathom note-taking is gonna be your friend, especially if you're like me, using tools such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. Hi guys, it's Faye from Feisworld Media, and in this video, I want to talk to you about the top 10 reasons why you should use Fathom note-taking for all your meetings. Furthermore, I know some of you guys are already using Zoom AI. Maybe you like some of the Zoom AI features, such as summarizing meetings and even some of the action items it's built in. For that reason, we have actually talked about Zoom AI on this very channel, but Fathom is that much more powerful. It's going to win you time back and helps you become infinitely more productive. By the way, recently, Fathom was ranked #1 highest product satisfaction of 2024 among 100,000 products on G2. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm a long-time Zoom webinar content creator. I have been releasing many more AI-related tutorials, tips, and tools for creators and small business owners like yourself. In addition, I'm actually a longtime project manager and producer, so note-taking is no news to me. I remember spending a decade working for some of Boston's top consulting and tech firms, spending on average half of my day. And let me tell you, note-taking itself is an art and needs mastery. The good news is you don't have to spend 10,000 hours to perfect note-taking. Fathom is already there as a partner to you. So let me get into the reasons, and I didn't necessarily rank them because I think every single one of them is important. I highly recommend that you watch all the way till the end. By the way, if you're convinced and your team isn't, I recommend you share this video with them too. #1, Fathom's forever free version works seamlessly well. It's packed with all the features, a lot of which I'm going to talk about. Nearly every single point I'm going to cover is from the free version. I'm going to give you some reasons to consider the premium version as well in just a bit. Reason #2, Fathom is really easy to learn. Maybe you already know all the productivity hacks, you're a guru. However, Fathom's not just about you. It's also about other users, many other people who's going to be joining your meeting. The fact that it's so intuitive and easy to learn took me literally less than one meeting to really get a hang of it and love all the necessary features. It's a huge plus because I have witnessed other people to join in and use Fathom with freedom, with ease and confidence. Reason #3, Fathom is really reliable. I don't recall a single instance where Fathom wasn't able to start or wasn't able to finish and leaving me with no notes. That has never happened before. I also find it to be less disruptive compared to Zoom. And whenever you're using Zoom's AI features, there's usually a prompt showing everybody that this is happening. Instead, whenever I use Fathom AI, what I like to do is always tell my team members and people around the call that I am taking notes with Fathom. And guess what? Because Fathom is so well known, people are usually very comfortable with it. In case there are highly sensitive information that are being discussed, you can easily use the pause button to pause the recording, note-taking, and then resume it at a later time. Everything including note-taking, transcripts, and all the reactions, which I'm going to talk about in a second, they're immediately available after the meeting. And speaking of which, I want to talk about these features that are absolutely essential that are available through Fathom and not Zoom AI. Some of my favorite features from within Fathom, including the highlighting features. You can go ahead and highlight what's important. You can tag them as insights, next steps, to-dos, action items, but also you can capture emotions such as positive versus negative emotions. I think those are really crucial for regular meetings as well as sales calls. This way, let's say if clients looked really intrigued or ask questions or had certain concerns about your sales presentation, there's a very easy way for you to capture that as well and reflect it at a later time and even review it with your team. Another feature I love is your questions versus their questions. So I'm going to show you an example on the screen right now. So my producer Herman and I have these tri-weekly meetings where we discuss a lot of different projects and details, and it's very important for both of us to ask questions, and sometimes we provide answers depending on the questions, and therefore I'm able to see the list of questions that I have asked versus Herman has asked me. And that is so cool to be able to create a database of things that are important to us and know that we're both contributing. Reason #5 is something that I've already talked about. Fathom works for all these major apps, including Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. It's not just going to work for Zoom, which is a huge limitation for Zoom AI. Number 6, I want to mention some of Fathom's incredible premium features. There is simply too many to cover. I probably should create another video to talk about them individually, but at a high level, you're looking at Zapier integration. If you're a Zapier fan, you can actually create a lot of workflows, as well as automatically generated action items. Not only just that, Zoom has the single approach for generating action items, whereas you can actually tell Fathom what types of meeting that is. Is this a stand-up call for your team? Is this a sales meeting? Is this onboarding with a new employee? And by indicating that, Fathom's going to show you better results when it comes to transcription as well as action items. Reason number 7, sharing with ease. As soon as you conclude the Fathom meeting, the notes are immediately available. With a single button click, you can send it across to all the meeting attendees. Fathom is able to pull up and know exactly who attended the meeting and being able to send it to them right away. Fathom knows who's been invited to the meeting, and with a single button click, they can all get these notes and navigate these notes as easily as you can as the meeting host. In addition, you can send the meeting as a link. There's a unique URL you can grab. You can also download the video from Fathom. Number 8, what's really important about Fathom is that it actually helps you build habits, not just any habit, better habits. With Fathom, I realized that I pay closer attention to the meeting attendees, to what the other person or people have to say. I become more proactive about asking questions and listening to the answers, to notice people's emotions and be able to capture them. In addition to me highlighting these next steps and action items, Fathom will automatically generate them for me as well, which I feel like there's always a partner. I feel like if I have missed something or I misunderstood something, Fathom is there to assist me and help me go back to what was being discussed. Make sure together we capture quality notes. Number 9, Fathom is a shared language. Here are some things that I notice. It's really easy to pick up that you really want to use it, but not just you, your team, your partners, your clients, they want to jump in on it. In fact, people are excited about using the software together, and that gives me so much energy. Next steps are tremendously important as well. How many times have you joined a meeting just to realize that you forgot what the next steps are or the due dates, and as a result, the meeting wasn't nearly as effective as it should be? The last but not least reason, number 10, Fathom is a company and a team of people who really care about you. So I was really worried at the beginning, knowing how solid and helpful Fathom is, and I knew that company's gonna grow. I know they're gonna welcome so many more users. So I was worried about 2 things, that suddenly they're gonna add features I don't need anymore or have a very cluttered user interface. That did not happen, because you notice that whenever you log into Fathom, there's a big feedback button. They really listen to users' feedback. At the same time, they have a really strong sense of aesthetics and user experience, UX and UI, and therefore, whatever features they end up releasing, it is a light bulb moment. It's something that I've always wanted and something that I know strongly that I will use. In addition, you'll notice that there's a help button in the top right-hand corner where you can click on it and submit your question right away, and a real person will get back to you. You'll also notice there are helpful tutorials and FAQs alongside as well. So here are 10 reasons why I think you should absolutely explore Fathom. If you haven't gotten started already, remember, there's a forever free version. You'll never be charged a penny if you decide to not use their premium feature. Fathom is going to give you so much time back and help you close more deals and establish a healthier and better relationship with your team. I would love to know in the comments below how you go about using Fathom, all the tips and tricks that I can learn from you. Again, this is Faye. If you like this video, I highly recommend that you go to the next video. I'm going to see you right there.